Hey guys, today I will show you how to get instant glowing skin for men, women as well. But before that, welcome to my channel. Subscribe my channel, always ready to help, and don't forget to press bell icon for the latest updated videos. Hey guys, in this video I will tell you how to get instant glowing skin. Trust me, this product is very effective and I often use it and it gives me instant glowing, right? So this is none other than Patanjali aloe vera gel. This is not an ordinary one. This is Chandan Keshar Patanjali aloe vera. I'm going to take few amount of it, right? And now I will tell you how to do it, right? Just take and spread evenly on your face and your neck as well, right? Just this way you have to apply evenly on your skin, and with the help of fingertip you have to massage gently for 2 or 3 minutes as I am doing. You have to be very gentle with your skin, guys. Massage it gently, massage it. Do not forget to put aloe vera gel around your eyebrows, not close to eyes. Listen carefully, not close to eyes but around eyebrows. If the gap between eye and eyebrow is very less, then you do not need to. Just keep aloe vera out of that zone, right? Might be go in your eye, and that will make your eyes clumsy. That might be hamper your eyesight. Though this is natural, but it's not right to take risks at this kind of things. Right, gently massage, guys, gently massage all over your face. So this actually, what will happen is blood will circulate, right? And when blood will circulate, the glow will definitely going to come, right? There is not a single chance not to get glowing skin. Do not, never ever ignore neck as well. Neck equally importance matters a lot. Many people will say their face looks good, but the necks are so clumsy, so weird, so dirty. So uneven skin looks very clumsy. Just 1 minute more, one more minute I will massage gently on my face. Then after I will wait for 15 minutes, right? Guys, almost done. I am just going to leave this. I think that's it. And what we have to do is let it dry for 15 minutes. That's it, right? And I will back after 15 minutes and I will show you how my skin will glow. Hey guys, I'm back. I just washed my face after 15 minutes and you can see what a glow I have in my face, isn't it? It's really glowing, man. So if you really want to get the glow as I am getting right now you can also go through the same procedure as I did, right? It's really glowing, man. It's wow. I'm feeling very wow. It's like I'm feeling like a hero. I feel like I'm the most beautiful person on this planet, right? So, guys, with this note, I just want to wind up this show. I just want to wind up this interaction with you, right? If you really liked it, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to be with our channel, because our channel is for you, by you, right? Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.